Hi everyone, I am Olaolu Moronkola from Lamp Media Production. Are you a graphic designer? And recently, your PC meets the requirement to install Windows 11, but you are skeptical about what will be the performance of your graphic design tools on this new Microsoft Windows? I would like to tell you that your tools will work just fine as it has been in your previous Windows 10. If you have latest versions of the tools. In my own case, my system meets the requirements. I received the update notification like 72 hours ago. Here is my PC specification. Go to properties of my PC. Here we have it. This is my processor and this is my RAM size, and I have 1 terabyte of SSD. So I upgraded my PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11. It took just 40 minutes to be completed, and now I use all my tools smoothly, be it Photoshop, Corel, Adobe Illustrator, and other tools that I use. Here, let's see how Photoshop will perform while opening it and while performing some simple tasks like typing and inserting image. So I want to click on Photoshop. Click. You can see it doesn't take much time before it loads. So let's go to create new and create some just A5 size document. So here is it. It opens a new document for me. Let me choose my text tool. You can see it will load a little bit, then you click to type. Whatever you want to type. Let me change the color first. Windows 11. Work still goes smoothly without any lagging or dragging. Now let me try to insert an image, like choosing this image, drag it. The only difference here is that in Windows 10, when you click on any image from your Explorer folder, you can drag it on any of your tools directly and will open up the tools that you are using, like dragging onto Photoshop like this. In Windows 10, it will automatically open. So let's see how Corel performs. Now I want to click on Corel. So I'm using Corel 2020. So here is it. Corel is also opened. So you can select new documents. So performing the same tasks like we did in Photoshop, so like typing of texts, everything just works fine. Windows, Corel Draw. Now load my font, choose font very fast. See, scrolling up and down your fonts, choose anything you want to do. So this how it has been in Windows 10, and I'm able to do my work perfectly also in Windows 11. So there is no fear. Go ahead to upgrade your PC to Windows 11. But before you do that, ensure you get yourself familiar with the Windows environment, because it is totally different from Windows 10. If you want me to walk you through the environment, or you want to ask anything about this window as regards your workflow, kindly let me know in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.